Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so in this exercise we are selling some running shoe. Okay, so there are some specifications so we have this shoe for women and men. So the idea is that for women we have the following sizes. We have the size 6, 7, 8, and 9, and we have three colors: the white, red, and black. Instead, for men, we have the following sizes: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and two colors: white and black. So the point is that we need to use a tree. We need to construct a tree diagram to count all the possible outcomes that we have. Okay. So let's start. We have or the beginning node, going to be the empty node, and then let's start. So first we have woman and man. Okay, so we have here woman, and over here we have men. For each woman we have four possible sizes, right? The size 6, the size 7, the size 8, and the size 9. And for each size we have three possible colors, right? So white, red, and black. White, red, and black. White, red, and black. White. Okay, so let me arrange this. Okay, so this is better. So for each we have three: white, red, and black. White, red, and black. White, red, and black. And here white, red, and black. And for men we have something similar, but here we have more sizes and only two colors. So we have the size 8, the size 9, 10, 11, and here 12. And for each size we have two possible colors. Okay, so white and black, white and black, white and black, white and black, white and black. So we need to count how many possibilities we have. So we just need to count all the elements on the roots. Sorry, on the leaves of the tree. So if we count them, we can see that we have 22 leaves on this tree. So that are all the possible combinations that we have of sizes and colors for men and women. Now the idea is that is if we use a tree, right? But what happens if we use the usual counting rules? We need to repeat that procedure but using the counting rules. So it is I think it's easier because for each woman, okay, we have four choices of size, and for each choice of size we have three colors, right? So that means that in total we have 12 possible choices of size and colors for women. Now for men we have something similar, but here we have 5 choices of size, and for each choice of size we have 2 colors. So in total we have 10 choices for men, and we need to sum them together to obtain the final result, that is 22, and it's the same result as before but is just using the counting rules.